The wooden cat climbing tree tower by Mao Lifestyle is designed to accommodate large cats weighing up to 15 pounds, providing a stable and durable structure for multiple cats to enjoy. This cat tree is incredibly easy to maintain, with machine washable cushions and surfaces that can be effortlessly cleaned with a vacuum or dry foam cleaner. Its unique and elegant design, featuring a hand-woven wicker basket and cushioned platform, seamlessly enhances your home's aesthetics while offering a cozy spot for your feline friend. Constructed with high-quality materials, this cat tower is built to last, with the option to purchase replacement parts, ensuring it remains in excellent condition for years. Mall Lifestyle offers exceptional customer support, ensuring your satisfaction and addressing any issues that may arise with your cat tree. A 1-year warranty and 45-day risk-free trial provide peace of mind, allowing you to return the product if it does not meet your expectations.